Not having these keywords on your cybersecurity resume might be why you're not getting calls back, and also why you're not getting hit up by recruiters on LinkedIn. If this describes you, you might want to watch this video. Today we're going to talk about the keywords that you should use in your resume. This can be very important because this is what's going to get your resumes through the filter. So what we want to do is to go to LinkedIn, go to business, and we're going to do post a job. The reason we're doing this is because we're going to look at things from an employer who's actually going to post a job. And so if you haven't gone through, I posted a video, my previous video talking about how to find job titles. We're basically hacking LinkedIn and farming LinkedIn for information. Okay. So I'm going to put technology interpreters here as I'm doing it for my own company. I'm just going to go ahead and start for free. The reason why I want to get through this is because what I'm looking for is to get to this section where it talks about the skills, but also it's good for you to see behind the scenes. This is what it looks like when you go to post a job. This is what they're dealing with, just kind of the formatting and stuff like that. So think about that when you're doing your own resume. And we're going to talk about resumes and how to do it a simple, easy to read resume in the future. But what I want you to do is look down here under skills. So let's just say we have vulnerability management here. Okay. So go ahead. We can do vulnerability assessment. And what we did is we essentially used this section and we farmed out all the keywords that were related to cybersecurity. So if you go to the technology interpreters page, I've actually included the list here for you. These are all of the keywords that you can use in your profile and on resumes. And please follow it. We only have 47 followers. If I get that to 150, I will be live streaming and answering questions and doing projects here live on the Technology Interpreters channel. But also I want to thank Daniel McKinney, Daniel is my co-worker, or a teammate, and a very good friend who actually put together this list. So show Daniel some love also. But anyway, if this video was helpful, remember, include this, go into your skills list and your profile, add this information. There's no reason not to, and you can get people to endorse it and stuff like that. But this will definitely make you more visible for recruiters, and also, once again, get through the ATS, the applicant tracking systems, which is what screens you out before you even get a chance to talk to a person. So if this video is helpful, leave me some comments, leave me some feedback. Let's talk about it. So even if you have opposing opinions, I would love to hear about it. Let's go ahead and let's hack these resume systems and let's get y'all into cybersecurity.